Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome to our Arabic class on the Madinah Arabic book. This is lesson one, and we'll be talking about an-nakiratu wal ma'rifah, indefinite and definite nouns in Arabic language. An-nakiratu wal ma'rifah, indefinite case of a noun in Arabic is called an-nakirah, and the definite case of a noun in Arabic is called al-ma'rifah. So we call an-nakira an indefinite case, and we call al-ma'rifah a definite case. In English language, when we want to express an indefinite noun, we use the article a or an. We say a boy, a pen, an apple, an aeroplane, and so on. So, how do we express an indefinite noun, which is in the case of nakira? How do we express it in Arabic language? Remember, we said indefinite case of a noun in Arabic is known as an nakira, while definite case is known as al marifa. And in English language, we express indefinite case with the article a or an, just like the example we gave: a boy, an apple, a pen, an aeroplane, and so on. And in Arabic language, how do we express the case of indefinite noun? So we use something we call a tanween. A tanween, what does it mean? It means, we have vowel sign in Arabic language. We have the fatha, we have the kasra, and we have the dhamma. So in the case of expressing an indefinite noun, we use a tanween, which is a double vowel sign on the last letter of a word. This word, qalamun, has three letters: qaf, lam, and mim. And the last letter is mim. So when we want to express this word as an indefinite noun, it means the vowel sign on this meme is going to be doubled. So that is what we call a tanween. So when the vowel sign on a letter, on the last letter of a word, is doubled, okay, that's what we call a tanween. So how do we express indefinite noun in Arabic language? It's by adding a tanween on the last letter of a word. Okay, and that word is not going to be, nothing is going to be attached to the word. We can see nothing is attached to the word from the beginning. Nothing is attached to the word from the beginning. It starts from the first letter of the word itself. So we have qalamun, qalamun, a pen, qalamun, a pen, tuffahatun, an apple, tuffahatun, an apple. So this word having a double vowel sign on the last letter. That is how we express an indefinite noun in Arabic language. We have qalamun, tuffahatun, a pen, and apple. Let's move on to al-ma'rifah. How do we express the definite noun in English? We say the boy. We use the article the, right? So we say the boy, the man, the house, the car, and so on. How do we express that in Arabic language? Uh, we use the word alif al tarif, which is alif and lam. Okay, we use the word alif. We use the article alif and lam, which is going to be attached to the beginning of the letter. Sorry, of the word. We use alif and lam before the noun, while the last letter of the noun maintains a single vowel sign. Let's take an example. So, if we want to express the indefinite nouns like qalamun, qalamun, by having a double vowel sign on the last letter of this word, that means it is an indefinite noun. Qalamun, a pen. So how do we express this word now in a definite case? So what we do is we have alif and lam starts, and we attach it to the word. We have al qalamu, al qalamu. And in this case, In the definite case, in the case of al-ma'rifah, the last letter is going to be taking a single vowel sign, okay? Not like when it was indefinite that it takes double. Qalamun. Here it's going to be al-qalamu, al-qalamu, al-qalama, al-qalami, whichever sign this word is ending with. Are we getting that? So we have al-qalamu, the pen, qalamun, a pen, at-tufahatu, the apple. Whereas in an indefinite case, we say tufahatun, an apple. So let's take more examples. So we have nouns in indefinite case, an-nakira, and we also have nouns in definite case, al-ma'rifah. So let's go. Rajulun, a man. Kubun, a cup. Miftahun, a key. Jabalun, a mountain. Najmun, a star. Babun, a door. Haqibatun, a bag. So this word could also end with another vowel sign. It could be fatha, it could be kasra. Okay, it could be rajulan, rajulin. But the point is that whichever vowel sign this word is going to be ending with, if we want to express it in an indefinite case, okay, it has to be doubled. The vowel sign on the last letter has to be doubled, and this word is not going to be attached to alif and lam. Alif and lam being attached to the word is the case of a definite noun. Are we getting that? So we have rajulun, we may have rajulan, rajulin. It means it is an indefinite noun, a man. So let's go to the definite case, al-ma'rifah. We have al-kitabu. You see, in the case of al-ma'rifah, a definite state, the word starts with alif. Alif and lam is attached to the beginning of the word, okay, and the last letter is carrying a single vowel sign, not a double like here, like the indefinite and nakira case. So we have al-kitabu, the book, at-talibu, the student, al-mudarrisu, the teacher, al-ma'u, the water, al-kursiyu, the chair, al-baytu, the house, al-masjidu, the mosque. So let's express these indefinite nouns in definite case. So we have rajulun. If we want to turn it to, a man, rajulun. If we want to turn it to the man, what do we say? We say ar-rajulu, ar-rajulu. Okay? Not ar-rajulun, ar-rajulu. Because if the alif and lam is going to be attached, it becomes a definite noun, and the last letter will carry a single vowel sign. So kubun, a cup. Let's express it in a definite case. We have al-kubu, the cup. Miftahun, a key. If we want to say the key, what do we say? Al-miftahu. Jabalun, a mountain. If we want to say the mountain, what do we say? Al-jabalu. This is how we express definite noun, al-ma'rifah, and indefinite noun, al-nakira, in Arabic language. Until the next class, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.